guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? I'm just doing a quick preview of this truck right here, okay? Check it out. Coming soon, 2014 Ram 2500, 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel tradesman model. And here's the best part about it. The paint is a gorgeous blue paint. Ready? My favorite part. Oh, look how quick those are. Don't look at the dirt. Don't look at the dirt. It's kind of a little dirty. But how quick have you seen a set of AMP Research step rails go up that fast? Watch how fast. Ready? 1 second. Time it again. Ready? Go. 1 second. They're quick. All right. We got a race tuner on here. We got a check engine light on. I'm going to diagnose that. Shut up, radio. We got an engine light on. We're going to diagnose that. A little dusty and dirty, but don't look to the negative part yet. Got all new filters and everything right here. Fuel filters and oil filters and whatnot. Let's go. Power windows. Full 4-inch turbo back exhaust system. I'll park right here. I'll walk around again. I'll show you. Just a preview. Like I said, factory exhaust brake, 4-wheel drive, ice cold AC, leather center console and flip up seat right here. Cool dude that I know sold it to me. Awesome guy, really down to earth, takes care of his stuff, very detailed and organized, which I like about that in person, because you can maintain something all you want. I'm sorry, you can drive something all you want, but maintenance is one of the most critical things to any vehicle. It's like taking care of yourself, you know, you treat yourself like crap and, you know, drink 24/7 or do drugs 24/7, eventually it's gonna catch up with you. Smoke cigarettes, it's gonna catch up with you. Same thing with a vehicle. You maintain it, change the fuel filter, change the oil filters, grease up your joints, you're gonna have a good truck. And that's a prime example of this right here. So, hope you guys like it. This is just a preview. I love the sound of a Cummins. Come on, hood open. Didn't even get the hood button. And electric's down in 0.2 seconds. Husky floor mat, Husky floor mats right here. Huge AFE Power cold air intake system. You got a few goodies on here, a little dirty, so excuse that. Got a few goodies on there. So, hope you guys like it. There's the AMP Research module right there. Yeah, this is Mark signing out with 2014 Cummins. Stay tuned for it, all right? Holler at you. Bah, 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 bah.